This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a chatbot provider, an API key, and a target page on your site. Once those are ready, create or open the HTML file where the widget will live and add a placeholder div for the chat. Next, include the provider's client script or your SDK via script tag. Make sure your page allows CORS if using a remote API. Finally, keep your API key secure. Use environment variables or a server proxy rather than exposing it directly in client.js. Now you wire the widget to the provider. Call the SDK init function and obtain a client instance via your server-side proxy to avoid exposing secrets. Once connected, mount the chat component to the placeholder div and configure UI options like theme, bot name, and locale so the experience matches your site. Then implement message handlers. When the user submits text, send it to the client. On response, render the bot message with timestamps and typing indicators. Test interactions and watch console logs for errors. To finish, add session handling so conversations persist across refreshes. Store session ID or message history on the server or in local storage. Make the widget performant, lazy load scripts and compress assets, and implement exponential backoff for failed requests. Once deployed, monitor usage and enforce API quotas to control cost. If something breaks, first check the browser console and network tab for failed requests or CORS errors. Then verify server proxy headers and that you haven't exceeded your API quota, which is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.